Hey, what's up, guys? This is Matador Trades. I hope you're drinking the coffee and not the Kool-Aid today. So I'm going through the car wash. I do apologize. I hope the noise isn't too much. But anyway, I wanted to kind of do a little video here and talk about why I got into trading, like very, very briefly, why I got into trading. So the main reason I got into trading, I always wanted to be a trader ever since I was little. And very fortunately, I had a mentor in my life. He's a VC guy. He was in hedge funds. He worked on Wall Street. He was at Goldman Sachs. I mean, this guy is a heavy hitter. He knows all the big players: Jeffrey Gundlach, Mike Novogratz, Dan Tapiero, all these guys, you know. And I would see this guy, meet with him like 3 days a week, sometimes 2 days a week or whatever. And what happened was he would give me the fundamentals on how to approach the markets, the psychology of it all. And that was more important than anything. And those are the lessons that I deploy today whenever I'm approaching markets, right? It's all about risk management, emotions, you know, not being or having the gambler mentality. That's very, very fucking important. Anyway, I saw what happened during the whole global financial crisis, okay? I lost my ass to the tune of $1.5 million. I saw what happened in 1987 to my parents when they were in the stock market. I know what happened in 2000 when the whole dot-com bust happened, right? The whole bubble. All of this played out, right? And then we all know what happened during COVID. And at that time, I had money in the market. I was living in New York City. And I said to myself, my God, if I don't do something, I am going to be screwed, okay? So my financial advisor, I mean, she was only getting me like 7% return. And I just said, you know what? I got to take control of this. I had gotten into Bitcoin and I made a shit ton of money. I lost a shit ton of money. And through these cycles, you live and you learn. But overall, it is on my dime. It is my choice, okay? Because we are all sovereign individuals and we cannot allow these, I don't know what you want to call them, the powers that be, okay, to, I want to say, sort of dictate our future, right? Because the whole system is designed to take most of the money, to fool most of the people most of the time, and to take most of the money from most of the people. And I've always been the kind of guy that walks in through the outdoor, you know? So what I did was I said, you know what? I can do this on my own. I ran into somebody one day and they put a little spark in my mind, a little thought in my head. And I said, you know what? I can do this on my own. And I've done very well over the last couple years. And I try to share those things with you here, and I share them on my website, matadortrades.com. Download the PDF. I think it'll suit you well.